Hello, good morning. So, this is Coach Jonathan Bit. So, ano ba ang kaganapan sa crypto today? So, today is April 17. Okay? So, ito yung good news before halving sa crypto. Okay? Are you ready? Okay, ano ba yung prediction before halving sa BTC? So, meron pa tayong 3 days before halving. Okay, ano ba yung prediction nyo? So, predicting the exact outcome before halving is can be challenging. So historically, Bitcoin halving led to increased demand and subsequent price appreciation. So due to reduction in the rate of new supply entering the market, so it won't be surprising. So to see continued bullish sentiment, okay? So it's essential to approach prediction with caution as the market can be unpredictable. So ano masasabi nyo sa halving ngayon? It can be bullish ba? Okay, so mag-comments ka sa below. Ano masasabi mo sa Bitcoin halving? So, today ang price niya is nasa 63k ang isang Bitcoin. Okay? So, ano pa yung good news? So, meron tayong bagong farming ngayon sa Binance, yung Omni Farming. Okay? Ano ba tong Omni Farming? Ito yung farming across multiple platforms or protocol. Okay? So, ito yung only farming. Specifically, it does offer various opportunities for yield farming, staking, and liquidity providing through its launch pool. So, meron siyang savings, staking platforms. So, this allow users to earn rewards by providing liquidity or staking specific cryptocurrencies. So nagbibigay ito ng ah liquidity sa pamamagitan ng kanyang platform sa launch pool savings. So parang savings lang to sa bangko, okay? So depende sa kanyang APR o annual per rate. So etong Omni Farming is 4 days lang to, period. 4 days period lang. So kaya habang may mga opportunity, so grab this opportunity sa Omni Farming. So ang daming benefits ito sa savings. Pwede kang mag-hold at mag-savings sa launch pool. So mamaya papakita ko paano yung launch pool sa Binance, okay? Napakasimple lang mag-stake dito. Kailangan mo lang ng BNB or FDUSD. Okay, dun sa Binance. So from USDT, convert mo lang sa FDUSD. Okay? Or BNB. Yan, pwede ka mag-stake sa BNB. Okay? So dito mag-hold ka lang ng token sa Omni. Then every minutes, every hour, pwede mo siyang i-claim. Okay? Sa taas, papakita ko yung paano mag-claim ng Omni Farming. Okay, this is Coach Jonathan Bit. Thank you for watching. God bless day. So, subscribe my channel, Jonathan Bit TV. Okay? So, pag ganito mga opportunity, samantalahin nyo pagkakataon bago mag-halving. Kasi may possible na mag-bullish tong market hanggang December. So, ayon sa prediction nila, tataas daw ng 80k, 200k ang isang Bitcoin. Okay, God bless day. Bye-bye.